Welcome back. It's time for Spinners and Spanners. The Constitutional Court found today that Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane was dishonest, but in an excerpt in that judgment that should be noted as President Cyril Ramaphosa takes on review Mkhwebane's CR17 report, this is what should be noted, considering that he will be filing a review application.
This court holds that the Public Protector's entire model of investigation was flawed and that she was not honest about her engagements during the investigation. In addition, she failed to engage with the parties directly affected by her new remedial action before she published her final report.
Now, the evening before that judgment, President Ramaphosa announced that he will take the, quote, flawed report on review. Here is one of the grounds.
The report contains numerous factual inaccuracies of a material nature. The findings we have found are wrong in law, are irrational, and in some instances exceed the scope of the powers of the Public Protector. Furthermore, in failing to provide me with an opportunity to comment on the proposed remedial action, the Public Protector has violated the provisions of the Public Protector Act, the Constitution, and the principles of our common law.
Well. I wonder whether the President and his legal team will also use that Constitutional Court judgment to set aside Mkhwebane's report. It's a wrap. Thank you for watching. The PolitBureau is now adjourned. Good night.